Okay, then our next position is going to be 7, 9, 10. We'll do that twice. And then 8, 10, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so thirds, 3, 4. And back, 3, 4. And then we got our fours, 3, 4. And back, 3, 4. Okay, then our last position up here is going to be 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, and then jump over to the 10, 10, 12, 13, and 10, 12, 13. Okay, so we'll do the thirds, 3, 4. And you can always use the settings control and slow this down if you need to make everything go a little slower. Okay, then we have our fours, 3, 4. And back, 3, 4. Key of C, all the way up to all the positions, with exercises doing thirds, which means you go from the first note to the third, you skip the second note, and then you go from the second note to its third, so you're skipping a note in between each time. And the fours was just 4 up, and then starting on the second note of those 4, going 4 up from there. Okay, so that was beginner exercise for baritone ukulele number 3 for October 2025. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. See y'all soon.